Today's world, we are preventative. Our downtime has decreased by 75%. My name is Adam Farron. I'm the maintenance manager at Liberty Safe in Payson, Utah. It's a 7-acre facility. We take care of not only all the equipment, but also the building itself. When I started with Liberty Safe, it was 100% reactive.
This room would have 3 to 4 hours of downtime a day.
Our output was probably somewhere around 300 to 350 safes a day because of the downtime and the lack of availability. Today's world, we are preventative. Now the QR code gets scanned into Limble. We know what's going on.
Right here are our Limble tags. Each piece of equipment has one.
We change the filters when Limble says to change the filters. The filters are accounted for in the PM. Our downtime has decreased by 75%. It's just a world of difference for what Limble has done for this facility. There was on an average of 2 to 3 times a day to go to the purchasing agent and say, I need this part, I need it tomorrow because we have a down machine. 50% of the time the part was on site.
This was the spare parts. These are the ones that have not been put into Limble.
It would take sometimes up to an hour for somebody to find a part. Now we're talking minutes.
These have.
Now that it's accountable, our shipping costs has gone down at least 75%. I would say we're probably saving anywhere from $7,500 to $10,000 a month in shipping. The time that it saves to find that part has just been monumental. Limble has been effective with going to the capital request because we can show the lifespan of equipment, what's been used, what's been consumed.
How much am I spending on that piece of equipment? Is it time for me to capital expense to get a new piece of equipment? Before it was go to a vendor, ask them what they've done. Now I have the data readily available at my fingertips.
A comforting thought to know that when you're going to the CFO, that the data, the numbers that you're producing, these numbers are solid and they're true.
If we didn't have Limble, there would be a best guess scenario and no data to prove it.
In the water jet room, my one technician, he hated coming to work because he knew he was going to spend 4 to 5 hours in the reactive mode. Today's world, he knows when his PMs are coming up, all the proper parts are now being ordered, any documentation is there. He actually comes in Friday with a smile. Yeah, morale has increased tenfold.